This is a 3-step strategy that can easily make you money trading forex. The 3 simple steps that will get you earning a doctor's salary. First of all, you want to identify your magnet area. This is where you'll be targeting, where your TP will be placed. Now, this consists of your imbalance and your liquidity. The second thing is you want to identify your liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep consists of your equal high liquidity, trend line liquidity, and your Asia highs or lows. The best ones being the equal high and the trend line liquidity. Enter off an OB that made a change of character slash BOS. One more tip that I would like to add, I'm usually using this within a reversal type of setup, so more of counter trend. If you're following an uptrend, I was looking for a small little downtrend move, okay? And if we're within a downtrend, I'm looking for a small little uptrend move to the upside. And luckily I have 2 examples that consist of the downtrend reversal and the uptrend reversal. So let's start off with USD Canadian dollar. So I'm gonna have our rules right over here so we can look at them and have them right here. First of all, identify our magnet area. Alright, so right over here I can identify that we have a bit of liquidity lying right over here on this trend line. So here, to me, this is where price is attracted to, okay? And this is where we're going to be looking to target further on in the future. Now let's look for our liquidity sweep. Right, you can see we started pushing up from here, but we didn't have any liquidity sweeps until right here. As you can see, looking at these wicks, this is our equal high, which then got swept. The reason why I say this equal high because this has been right here, and you have to pay attention to the wicks, especially because the wicks on lower time frame are actual structural points. So what you'll be seeing on the lower time frame would be an actual high, right, and then price now come back to this specific high, pushed off of it, where other started entering sells, place the stop loss above, and now you can see price sweep them out. That is your liquidity sweep. All right. So now that we identify that, our third one, enter an OB that made a change of character slash BOS. So first of all, here is our change of character right over there. So pretty simple change of character. Price is pushing upwards, high low, higher high. Price then broke this higher low, creating a new low, and that was our change of character. Now, as you can see, our first entry would have been over this supplies right over here. Okay, so I'll just above here, and as I said, targeting our magnet area. So just to this low right over here. All right. Unfortunately, I did miss the first initial entry, but we don't need to worry about anything. We don't have to set in for formal because we can still wait for the breaker structure to get in another entry. Okay, as you can see, here was the new low that we created, and the price then broke this low. As you can see, now it's time to get into that reversal set that was actually strong one. Here we were going to the uptrend, and now it's slowly starting to overturn into a downtrend. The next thing, this is the supply zone that created a BOS. So this is type 2 of our third step, and this we would find our entry. All right, and there we go. As you can see right here, entered just when price reacted off of it, and same target to that low that was holding some liquidity. It's pretty simple. Right there, that's a 1 to 5. Right there, that's another 1 to 5. You can end the day simply with a 1 to 10. Okay. As you can see, send out to my Discord server, and there we go, TP here on USD CAD. And next we have gold. As you can see right here on gold, we're following bearish market structure. As I was saying, following this bearish market structure, and then right over here we had this impulse to the downside, which then left an imbalance, this little gap within market structure, and this is our magnet area that we'll be looking to target later on. Step 2, identify the liquidity sweep. Right over here we have some nice equal lows, and as you see right over here, price then pushed down below it, which then stripped out this low, and that there is our liquidation. Pretty simple. Now step 3, enter on the OB that created the change of character and break structure. So here is our chain of character, because we previously had a benchmark structure: high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, boom, new high created. That's our chain of character. And then the entry would have been at the OB that created this. Beautiful. Almost there. Stop just a few pips below this area, targeting that imbalance. Okay, just getting a bit deep into it. All right, and then 7C didn't get the first setup. Cool. If we break structure, and actually another thing to note, the breaker structure OB actually has more confirmation, because we already seen that we had a previous chain of character and price already reacted off the demand zone. So this gives a bit more confluence. So it does require a bit more patience, but it does also help you out in the long run. Right here, then there is the old block that created that break structure. Price reacted off of this, and we started pushing off of here, and I entered offer market execution, targeting those highs, or I mean that imbalance, that magnet area. Okay, so pretty simple. Okay, very simple. Price took time, but boom, it hit, take profit, fold out that imbalance, and then we start reversing. Okay, so you can see, as I said, it's usually the reverse setups I'm also taking. You can see it's more like it's either a smiley face or a sad face, depending if your market structure up or market structure down. As you can see right over there, I did send this out to the Discord server, and there we go, TPA on gold. So I actually made 2 minutes on that same specific day. It's very simple, just 3 steps for you to actually make money in the forex market. Keep in mind, this does require a bit of patience, so don't try to jump into any trades. Also don't have any FOMO, because as I said, there's also that break structure that's also waiting there for you to get your other entry. That's for me, guys. If you need any more help or any questions about this, join the Really Rich Nation free server, or we can come into the premium server where I send all my signals. Other than that, guys, Vox out.